and Dexter, here's something you need. Something in the dark is changing into something new.
The Scollay Family Channel.
So, here we go!
I must tell you, your son swims very well. He has perfect understanding of the importance of dynamics of fluids in
Seeing all of your honest reactions will let young me know that maybe it's not a great idea to go on the bear cave.
It's the greatest game in the entire universe!
I'm confused about how it's played.
Oh yes, that's another Mega Man game complete.
We are going into the city to find happiness.
Are these monkeys suitable to come along around here?
This is better than normal food. This is what Hollywood stars eat.
Awesome! Yay!
Watch this, Lise.
We now return to Mad, already in the show of the Extinct Baby.
The biggest yes I've ever given in my life.
Hang on.
Well, if he's trapped, then we can collect the fruit. I saved my stomach. And Bobby's a jerk.
Oh, this looks good. My snake thinks it's a balloon animal. That's no.
Okay, Billy, stop!
Mr. Cat can stay. Ears up, ouch, go!
No rules! Never again!
Lawless law-breaking. Perhaps she was a mistake, yes?
You think?
Oh, so that's what's inside the medicine cabinet.
What do I have to do for this? Nothing. No matter sweet to get, sister. Just follow me to my lab.
Nobody knows.
Buttons and push me.
Yes, except he's exactly the opposite. I guess we've all got more in common than we thought.
சரிக்குமோ என்னோட பரிசு எங்க அத சீக்கிரம் எடு அதுக்காக நான் காத்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
I don't know. All I did was turn the engine on. Before I knew it, I was on the freeway.
She must be screaming about you. Why is everyone screaming? Yeah, if anyone gets to scream, it should be like us. Look at all the dancers, lights, costumes, and...
You sometimes take some pretty unexpected roles, don't you?
But you can come if you want, Chowder. I'll have to check my schedule. My days are pretty packed with avoiding you. Wow, Phineas, this is so romantic.
You think this is romantic?
Oh, scary! You're auditioning? Yuppie, how's the costume coming?
I seem to have sewn myself to the chair.
You want to see an April Fool's trick? Watch close! So, what do you say? I think I've looked far enough.
The Scollay Family Channel. The channel is not broadcasted. Coming to only plug in.
It's a good thing I came along. You could have gotten really hurt.